Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect LinkedIn with Google Sheets, full guide step by step clearly. To connect LinkedIn with Google Sheets, you will first need to open your Google Sheets account. Once you are in Google Sheets, create a new blank spreadsheet. Next, consider which LinkedIn data you want to import into Google Sheets. You will now need to use a third-party tool or Google Apps script to enable the connection. One common tool for this is Epiphany, which you can download from the Google Workspace Marketplace. After installing Epiphany, open the add-on in your Google Sheets. In Epiphany, you will need to select the option to create a new API request. Go to the LinkedIn Developer Portal to create a new application. Once your application is created, you will receive an API key and client secret. Return to Google Sheets and paste your API key and client secret into Epiphany. You will need to build an API request to fetch the specific LinkedIn data. This typically involves setting the correct endpoint URL and headers in Epiphany. Make sure to include the necessary authorization in your request. You may also need to specify any query parameters to refine your data search. Once your request setup is complete, click on the Run button in Epiphany. The data from LinkedIn should now populate into your Google Sheets. Review the imported data to ensure everything looks correct. If any adjustments are needed, return to Epiphany and modify your request settings. Continue to experiment with different endpoints and parameters to capture various LinkedIn data types. To automate this process, consider setting a schedule in Epiphany for regular updates. Your LinkedIn data is now successfully connected to Google Sheets. Remember to ensure compliance with LinkedIn's API usage guidelines as you access and utilize the data. You have completed the process of connecting LinkedIn with Google Sheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.